Smile and learn.
Hello, everyone. It's me, Feli, and I have a new friend to introduce to you. My friend is just there. Can you call my friend over? My friend's name is Ooh. Come here. Ooh. Say Ooh. One more time. Ooh. Louder. Ooh. All right. Hello. Ooh. My friend Ooh is in the middle of the word food. I love yummy food. 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 Come on, let's sing.
Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, welcome to the Sound Circus.
Sound Circus. Sound Circus. What a special day. We sing. We sing. Hear the sounds we say. Food. Food. Moon. Moon. Boot. Boot. Broom. Broom. Hoop. Hoop. One more time. Food. Food. Moon. Moon. Boot. Boot. Broom. Broom. Hoop. Hoop. Here we go. Sing along. Sing along. What a special day. Special day. Great singing, everyone. Ta-ta for now.
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.